Hello, everyone. Christmas is just around the corner, and it's the perfect time to show love and gratitude with a personal touch. Today, I will show you how to create simple yet charming DIY gift wraps using sewing techniques. Let's get started. Measure and cut the fabric so it fully wraps around your container. Fold it once like this. Fold it again and sew straight along the edge. There's an even easier way. Fold it once and sew it. Then fold it again and sew. This creates a neat and flat edge. Then decorate it in your own way. Play with different thread color to add a festive vibe. You can even mix and match stitches to create a unique look. I'm going to use this scalloped shaped stitch. Change the thread color and stitch along the edge. Now cut along the pattern. This works like a serge, so the fabric won't fray. I hope this inspires you to add a personal touch to your holiday gifts. How will you make your gift wraps unique this year? Merry Christmas, everyone!